Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. So in this video we can look how to give delivery address on Dominos app. For that, just open the Dominos app and you can see the in red color your location right there. Just tap on the top left corner, tap on the place right there. So here we can give the delivery location right here and choose the delivery location that you need to give. So we have given the location right here. So choose the location from right here. Choose the delivery address. Search for the delivery address that you need to give. Just tap on the whatever location that you need to give the address, delivery address, and after that just tap on the confirm location right there. So this is how we are giving the delivery address on Domino's app. So I hope this video was useful for you. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.